Hey, Econ teachers, this is Jacob Clifton. Now, I live in Southern California, but I am coming to New Jersey to work with a bunch of teachers. It's awesome. It's going to be a great workshop. It's all thanks to a lady named Pam Burke at Verona High School. And that's actually where we're going to do the workshop in New Jersey at the Verona High School. Pam is awesome. I basically made a video a couple months ago. I said, hey, if you want me to come to your area, if you set up and have, a bunch of teachers signed up to come to something, I'll show up. And she set it up. So here we go. I'm going to be there on March 24th. It's a Saturday. We're going to spend the whole day together. It starts at 9 a.m. I'm going to be there at Verona High School. And basically, we're going to talk about how to make your AP Econ class awesome. We're going to do strategies, activities. I'm also going to give you my new teacher resources that I just in the process of updating. This includes updated PowerPoints and assignments and quizzes and multiple choice questions. A bunch of resources that help you and your students learn economics. Now, the price is $235 and includes the teacher resources and access to that day of awesomeness. And what you're going to get is a quote from Pam, so you can give that to your school, and your school can turn around and send me a check, or they can pay online. We'll set that up as well. So all you need to know is Pam's going to cover this. She's kind of in charge of the whole thing. And one more time, she is awesome. She did so much work. Thank you. Huge thank you to Pam. And I'm super excited to meet you in New Jersey this March 24th on Saturday. Until next time.